Good evening, guys. It's Emmanuel once again, and we're here for our daily cipher. Okay, so this is our daily cipher. So let's click on it and get on with it. Okay, so today's word is very short and simple. BIP. 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 So that is today's word, and that's what we're going to spell. So as usual, we consult our chart, and letter B, which is the first letter, is spelled as dash dot dot dot. One dash, three dots. Okay, so we already know what is dash and dot. So let's do that. Dash, 1, 2, 3. Letter B has been activated. The next letter is letter I. Letter I is spelled as just two dots. Dot, dot, just two dots. So let's go and do that. Dot, dot. That is letter I. The last but not the least is letter P. So let's go and spell that. Please, if you are just joining my YouTube channel, please subscribe and turn on the bell notification. This won't cost you anything, just for you to get notified whenever I do a video like this. So the last letter is letter P. And how do we spell P? P is spelled as dot dash dash dots. Dots dash dash dots. So let's go and do that. Dots dash dash dots. Letter P, BIP. And we have gotten today's code. So take prize. And I'll see you tomorrow on the next one. Have a good day. Bye bye.